What's up, FWB family? Today, we're diving into one of the most argued topics on the internet. Are EVs actually cheaper to own than gas cars? Spoiler alert. In this story, one man did the math, and let's just say the Tesla absolutely cooked the BMW 320, like financially roasted and live. Now, before the BMW purists start revving up their keyboards, yes, I know, the 3 Series is a solid car. It's classy, smooth, and it screams, I still listen to CDs because vinyl's too hipster. But when it comes to cost of ownership, the Tesla Model 3 basically said, you can't sit with us. So this guy, YouTube creator SpawnPoiint, traded his gas-powered BMW 320 for a Tesla Model 3 and tracked every penny for a year. And the results? Let's just say if this were a boxing match, BMW would have thrown in the towel by round 3. He drove 12,000 miles in 12 months. His total charging cost? $225. That's it. Meanwhile, most gas car owners spend that much just looking at the gas pump. Now, insurance came in at $550 for the year. Maintenance? $50. Because, surprise, electric cars don't need oil changes, spark plugs, or that one random belt your mechanic swears is about to go. And to top it off, in the UK, zero-emission cars get free road tax. So, while his old BMW had to pay the government a few $100 just to exist, the Tesla just vibed. All in all, his total Tesla ownership cost came to $835 for the year. Compare that to the BMW 320's $2,500, and you're looking at almost 2/3 off. Yeah, the BMW may have style and a badge, but the Tesla is literally making money moves. Now, 1 year is great, but what about long term? Other Tesla owners have stretched this experiment to 75,000 miles, and the savings are wild. One owner reported saving nearly $10,000 in fuel alone. Another said his Tesla cost $8,000 less to own after 50,000 miles. And depreciation? Surprisingly fair game. The Model 3 holds value better than you'd think, while gas sedans like the BMW 3 Series get punished harder than a bad crypto investor in 2022. Look, I get it. Gas cars have soul, that engine note, the vibration, the feeling that you're connected to something mechanical. I love that too. But when it comes to your wallet, EVs are pulling clean knockouts. And in times like this, with fuel prices acting like they're trying to hit the moon, it's kind of hard to argue with that math. So let's talk about it. Would you trade your gas car for a Tesla if it meant saving over half on your yearly costs? Or are you sticking with good old internal combustion because it's not about the money, it's about the sound? Drop your thoughts below. Team Tesla, silent but deadly. Team BMW, I pay more because it feels right. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you didn't, hit dislike twice for an emphasis. And as always, you're part of the Friends with Benefits Car Club, where the only thing faster than our cars is how quick we burn through our paychecks. Catch you in the next one.